Hey everyone, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're just going to do a quick little overview of removing all of this crap off of an EXC. So this is a 24 underfender, going to be basically the same thing for a 23 EXC. So this is off the bike. Remove that first. You'll have to fish the wires through the fender. So remove your rear fender, makes it easier. And then this is all a modular system. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these bolts out. And now, get your wires out of there. There you go. All that crap's gone. So now you have an XCW underfender. So if you want to do, bolt through turn signals, not using our stuff or whatever, you can drill holes wherever you want to mount your turn signals and drill a hole to get into your wiring to plug in. We have our all-in-one tail light, so this can just go on now. You can see from the other ones, this is going to be your tail light connector, this is going to be your turn signal connector. Where they plug in is right behind the ECU. So these are the same connectors, so it's just plug and play. Throw some dielectric grease on there. You can see the taper on the spacer. That's just going to go into that portion right there. Bolt through the light, washer and nut on the backside, bolt it up, run your wires, plug it in, put it back together, and no more television set hanging off the back of your bike. So just wanted to show you guys how the fender was modular, and yeah, appreciate you checking it out.